For those of you whose gyms are not open yet, today's video is my second quarantine leg workout that you can do at home or outside. Hi, this is me, Bonnie. My current stats are 5'6" at 148.4 pounds and definitely looking a little softer. I've gained an average of 3 pounds during quarantine, so not too bad, since I've been snacking a bit too much and watching way too much Netflix. And my body has unfortunately already adapted to my workouts a while ago, and I need way more intensity. So I am dying to get lean and defined again once the gyms open up again. But this is the workout that I've been doing, just adding more reps, more sets, and shorter rest periods to make it tougher. So let's dive into it. First, not shown, I start with farmer's carries because I need to walk with my homemade 59-pound concrete dumbbells. So unintentional forearm and trap work. If you want to see how I made the dumbbells, click on the link in the description below. And then I start off with walking lunges, 4 sets of 8 to 10. And I'm super happy about these because my dumbbells are pretty much the same weight that I would use at the gym. Lunges. Okay, this is actually pretty good. I like it. These are good for lunges. And then I move into high volume squats because it is lighter weight with 4 sets of 15 to 20 reps. And I tried doing deep goblet squats, but unfortunately it was a little too easy because the weight was too light. Next, I move on to one of my favorite body weight lower exercises, single leg squats till failure, superset it with sissy squats for your quads, the front of your legs. So single leg squats are awesome overall leg exercise, great strength builder. I would have even added weights if I could have carried more than just my concrete dumbbells. But after you go to failure, I superset that with sissy squats because there's really not any other way you can mimic leg extensions, I guess, at home. But be careful of these if you don't have the ankle mobility or if you're concerned with your knees. Then it's hip thrust, superset it with single leg hip thrust, pretty much till failure for everything. Now hip thrust, because glutes are your biggest muscle group, so I definitely want to blast those fibers. And unfortunately it did rain on me that day, but it was my second workout during quarantine, so nothing was gonna stop me. Oh shit, it's raining. Ah! Curtsy lunges is another lunge variation. This is actually pretty tough, but for whatever reason, I didn't really like the feel of it that day, but I may incorporate these back in. Romanian split squat on a bench with 1 dumbbell in one hand. Absolutely love these. 3 sets of 15 reps. Make sure you go low. And then I finish off with some easier banded exercises. So standing hip abductors for the side glutes, 3 sets of 20 each side. And then I crouch down and do banded side walks for the glutes, 3 sets of 20, just going back and forth, left and right. And then as a finisher, I do glute pulses, below parallel squats and not coming all the way up for 50 reps. And that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed that. You're gonna try some of these exercises. I hope you guys are all doing well since everything's reopening now and ready to get back in shape. Thanks for watching and see you guys next time. If you're sick of feeling stuck with all the diets out there, busting your butt in the gym and things still not panning out, not really getting the results you want, then I have some good news. I'm hosting a free online training that's going to help you discover the single biggest mistake that gym goers are making that cause every diet to end in failure. How to eat foods you love without feeling guilty or miserable and still get results. And the simple mindset hack that a lot of celebrities and TV stars use year-round to get results, and a lot more. It's going to be called Secrets to Get a Confident Toned Body and Live a Powerful, Healthy Life Without Crazy Dieting or Feeling Deprived. So to learn more on RSVP, simply go to www.eatnotdiet.com/early access.